Hey, Super Spartans. I want to share with you our writing piece for our procedural writing. And I'm again pulling up from our writing city. This should look familiar from before we left when we were doing our informational piece on an animal that we chose. We're going to use the same leads that we would use for that writing, for this writing, for the procedural writing. So you can start your writing off with either a question, an amazing fact, a setup, talk to the reader, or with a sound. Now, depending on which one of your pieces from last week you're choosing to expand upon, will depend on which one you would want to choose. If you're doing how to play a video game, for example, you might want to do an amazing fact because I'm sure there are thousands of facts about Fortnite and all the other games that you play. If you are trying to teach a person how to play an instrument or something that has sound to it, the sound one would probably be the best. For mine, I'm going to do a recipe. So I'm going to start mine off with a question, but you're going to want to start with one of these leads. What I do not want to see for this writing is the following sentence. I would like to, or I want you to know, or have you ever wanted to learn this because I like to do this. I don't want to see that. I want to see a question that is informational, an amazing fact, a setup, talking to the reader, or a sound. So for mine, I started mine off with, have you been looking for a satisfying snack? Satisfying, yummy, and cooling snack to beat the summer heat. There are so many great traditional options out there, like ice cream or ice pops. But did you know there is another option? Jello cake is a sweet option that you might not have heard of. Even though it has the word jello in it, it isn't like the wiggly jello you might be thinking of because this is made with cake and creamy Cool Whip. To make this yummy and cooling treat, continue reading on to see how you can make this treat. So you see here, I started off with a question, and nowhere in this question does it say anything about my own opinion. It is all just a straight question. It's really appealing to the reader. I'm also pulling in the reader because I'm talking about things that they might already know about, but I am going to expand on it with other things that they don't know about, which is going to pull them in to say, like, yes, I know about these, but what else can I learn in this situation? I also included words like wiggly. I included words like delicious, yummy. See, here's yummy. I included things like cooling. These are all descriptive words that are really going to help your reader to really picture these things. So I'm not talking about the actual steps yet. I'm just doing that introduction where I want to hook my reader so that they want to read more. Today, you are only going to be writing your introduction paragraph. You are not going to go on to the other steps. I repeat, you are not going to go on to the other steps. The other thing that you are not going to do is submit the writing to me today, because then you won't be able to continue your writing. So each day we're going to add a little bit more to it. So you need to continue on each day. And then on Thursday, we will submit the final writing piece. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on Google Stream and ask them, and I will help you. Have a great day, guys.